List of 20 plus courses after 12th.
ओ गॉड, 12th तो हो गई, अब आगे क्या? क्या आपके भी मन में यही क्वेश्चन है? मे बी.
Welcome to Nitya Soni Vlogs.
लेट अस स्टार्ट विद कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं CFA चार्टर्ड फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस की, जिसके बारे में आप कई लोगों ने सुना भी होगा. जो CA से रिलेटेड लोग होते हैं उनको इस बारे में पता रहता है. CFA एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो आपको कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स वगैरह की इनसाइट्स एनालिसिस करने की क्षमता प्रदान करता है. इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इज हाईली रिकमेंडेड एंड हाईली ग्रोइंग फील्ड इन दिस एरा वेयर हमें हर चीज़ के लिए इवेंट चाहिए. वो भलाई शादी हो, बर्थडे हो, प्री वेडिंग हो या फिर व्हाट वी कैन से प्री मैटरनिटी हो, हमें हर चीज़ के लिए इवेंट चाहिए. और इवेंट को संभालने के लिए चाहिए इवेंट मैनेजमेंट टीम. दिस कैन बी कोर्स, डिग्री and diploma course, anything you can do it. In this era we have learned that hospitals are the most important thing the country with this population should have. So अब डिमांड बढ़ी है तो सप्लाई भी बढ़ेगा. जब हॉस्पिटल्स का सप्लाई बढ़ जाएगा तो हॉस्पिटल्स के लिए हमें स्टाफ की डिमांड भी बढ़ जाएगी. उस डिमांड को फुलफिल करने के लिए हमें चाहिए गुड हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू MBBS बट स्टिल वांट टू डू a course which connects you to the hospital, you can do hospital management. कोविड धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रहा है, टूरिज्म धीरे धीरे शुरू हो रहा है और इसीलिए ये बढ़ता हुआ जो बिजनेस है होटल मैनेजमेंट का, इट इज़ गोइंग अप एंड अप. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड स्कोपफुल फील्ड फॉर अस. Do you know what is important key for goods providing business? That is Supply Chain Management, SCM. What is SCM? Supply chain consists of various activities that take place between the production and distribution of materials. Logistics and supply chains management includes different sections of supply chain management like materials purchase, management of transport, warehousing, packaging and distribution, order processing, inventory management. These are the things which is included in this supply chain management, logistics and supply chain management. यहाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया. This line will tell you what I am going to tell next, that is detective. अगर आप 24 घंटे क्राइम पेट्रोल अपने दिमाग में लेकर घूमते हैं, CID देखते हैं या फिर इससे अच्छी वेब शोज, वेब सीरीज जो डिटेक्टिव्स और रॉ एजेंट्स के अराउंड घूमती रहती है, तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी फील्ड है बीइंग अ डिटेक्टिव. देयर आर 2 courses in this field. One is forensic detective, second is private investigator or detective. We can do this after 10th or 12th. This is the university which provides this course. Another demanding business is this foreign language business. Learning foreign language not only strengthens the understanding of else communication, language, country, culture, but it also strengthens your multitasking behavior, your cognitive skills, concentration, focus, and many more. If you have interest in Bollywood, cinematics, these ones are for you. Students pursuing these courses are able to learn about fundamental tools of cinematographic, basic level of shooting, and are able to work on various digital cameras. The cinematography is perfect blend of creativity integration with the direction, which enables development of unique process of filmmaking. Else we can have communication design course, graphic designing courses, photography. Before we start ahead, please give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down if you want part 2 for this one. वीडियो आखिरी तक देखना, बीच में मत छोड़ना. Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Artificial intelligence belongs to field of science and engineering in which students and research aim to develop intelligent computer machines that can perform tasks of human intelligence. It includes speech recognition, visual perception, logic and decision, multi-language translation and more. Ceramic engineering. Ceramic engineering is the science and technology of creating objects from inorganic non-metallic substances. We can do B.Tech, M.Tech in ceramic engineering. If you are a water baby, plus student from science stream. Marine engineering will kick you. Marine engineering basically deals with the research conducted in oceans. Next is the robotics. Robotics and artificial intelligence are interlaced, and there is an option at master levels. Next is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity deals with the study of possible cyber threats and harms, technical, financial, or personal. The course equips the professional to deal with many types of cybercrimes such as copyright break, hacking, illegal threatening, mass surveillance, computer virus, virtual presentation, identified threats, phishing, etc. Next, you can have a skillful degree, that is BSc, MSc or PhD or diploma course in horticulture or floriculture. Next is again for water babies, it is oceanography, and this is not a photography of ocean. This is course in which physical and biological aspects of ocean and covers of study of ecosystem, geological and geophysical aspects of ocean waves, currents, plates and tectonics, etc. are covered. Statistics is the data study and navigating the common problem and finding the correct solution. If you believe in an Indian Ayurvedic system, this one is for you. Ayurveda is an ancient study of medicine evolved approximately around 600 BC in India and has many followers across the world today. Ayurveda has been recognized by World Health Organization too. If you are an art student, this one may hit you. Art restoration. Last but not least, this is tourism and travels. Tourism and travel studies the physical, economical, social, cultural aspects of tourism, tourist markets and destination. It also studies the wider perspective of tourism as an interdisciplinary way, drawing knowledge and from several social science subjects. You can become a travel blogger, or you can be a guide, you can become a travel influencer and many more. So guys, this was the video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.